Details on the coronavirus. Infections may be 4 times higher than the number of cases reported to the CDC. The study was published in the medical journal JAMA Network today. Researchers tested random blood samples for the presence of COVID antibodies. Then they compared it to the number of reported cases. Researchers believe 46.9 million people have been infected in the U.S. Data from the CDC shows 10.8 million people have been infected. Kansas is last in the nation when it comes to vaccinations. That's according to the CDC. Governor Laura Kelly blames the issue on reporting problems. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney has the story.
Kansas has vaccinated just over 20,000 people, mainly healthcare workers. The state's Department of Health says the low number is because not all vaccinators are trained yet on how to report into the new COVID-19 vaccination system. Governor Laura Kelly says all 105 Kansas counties have vaccine, and the reporting lag is because their focus is on distribution. But the health director for Osage County, near Topeka, is not sure of that.
As far as I'm aware, there isn't vaccine in the county yet that is available for the first wave, which is healthcare workers, EMS, EMTs, that kind of thing.
Patterson says her health department would be the county's main vaccinator. They have no hospital. And the county's long-term care facilities may have vaccines, but that's a different distribution arrangement. Missouri's numbers are very different, but it has twice as many people. The CDC says almost 1,500 Missourians per 100,000 have been vaccinated. The number for Kansas, 690 per 100,000. Kelly says the health department is working on the reporting problem, and she hopes they solve it soon, as the CDC says that Kansas is last in the nation in vaccinating its citizens. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
Kansas Governor Laura Kelly says the state exceeded its goal of conducting 1 million COVID tests in 2020. She says the tests, coupled with mask requirements, led to the control of the virus for the first time since stay-at-home orders were lifted. State officials say despite the arrival of vaccines, testing is still critically important to control the spread of COVID-19 in Kansas. The Jackson County, Missouri Health Department has testing events every day this week. Tomorrow it's at Vesper Hall in Blue Springs, Thursday in Lee Summit, and Friday it's in Independence. Each testing event is from 10 to 2. Registration is required. There were more protests today over evictions in Jackson County. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener takes a look at the continued struggle between tenants and landlords.
Not one eviction! Not one eviction!
New year, new action.
Not one eviction!
Tuesday, the group KC Tenants blocked the doors of the Jackson County Courthouse in Independence, delaying eviction cases.
I'm hoping I don't have to go in the streets.
Kenneth Goebel's eviction hearing now delayed for a month.
I'm barely making it, you know. I lost one job because of the virus. I had to take a pay cut.
Goebel says he struggles like others to pay rent for a house in disrepair.
They want to be heard, but they don't want anybody else to be heard.
That ain't right! That ain't right!
But landlord groups say KC Tenants' actions aren't helping.
If anybody else tried to block a court anywhere in the country, they'd be arrested.
Others say housing providers don't want to evict people, instead getting them to programs to help pay rent.
Because a lot of these tenants that aren't paying have been there for years, and most landlords are working with them as much as they possibly can because they don't want to evict them either.
Still, KC Tenants has a goal to stop all evictions in January.
This is not going to happen and go away overnight. It's going to take a process.
Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.